Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I am the Apprentice, and today we are going to be asking a question: can you go without beard oil? Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be asking the question, can you go without beard oil? Now this is one that we get a variety of responses regarding the use of beard oil. Of course, we have people who love to use it. They love our products, they love other companies' products, and they know the benefits of using oil. But we've got a lot of other adventurers out there who unfortunately find that using oil is not the way to go. Now, that is their opinion. We're not going to force anything on them, but just wanted to ask, can you go without beard oil? Now, one thing that you should think about is the texture of your beard, the feel of it. If you run your fingers through your hair, just kind of comb it through and everything, is it soft? Or is it brittle, dry? Is it itchy? When you're growing out your beard, how does it feel? Do you not even notice any itchiness, any feeling like that? Well, if you're not noticing it, then either good for you, you don't have to worry about that, or you most likely have been using oil. And that's the thing. The oils are there to help your skin stay healthy. They're there to help promote growth for your beard. Because that's the thing, when you have healthy skin, you can have healthy hair growing through. When it comes down to it, can you go without beard oil? Yes, you can go without beard oil, and that is a lot of people's choice. Personally, let me tell you my own little story. I did not use beard oil when I was first growing out my beard. I didn't even know that it was a thing. I thought I just had to keep my face clean and maybe, wash it in the shower or whatever, and that was it. And that's all I had to do for it. That's why it would grow. But it was slow in growing, and it really got itchy underneath anytime it grew out on my neck. I could not handle it, so I always shaved my neckline, which a lot of people say is not good if you're going for density. So then eventually, when I found beard oil products, even like co-wash and things like that, I started using it, and it started to ease the itchiness. The dryness was gone, but the problem was I wasn't using it as consistently, so there was that constant day where if I would go a couple of days without it, I'd realize, man, I'm getting really itchy. Maybe I should start using oils again. I didn't realize I should be using it every day. And then I would shave because it was too itchy, because I didn't have a consistent habit. So yes, you can go without using oil, but should you? No, you really shouldn't. It's best for your beard, for your skin, the promoting of healthy growth if you do use oils every day, twice, in the morning when you wake up and before you go to bed at night. Comment down below, what is your adventure with using oils? Are you somebody who prefers to not use oils? No judgment, that is completely fine. If you don't use oils, let us know how that experience goes for you. But I do have a challenge for many of you. If you want to test to see how well oils work for you, what I recommend is that you go ahead for 1 week or even 5 days, just 5 days of the week, Monday to Friday. Go ahead and use your oils and make a mental note of it. Maybe even write it down of what your feeling is. Is there itchiness? Does it feel soft? Do you feel like it's easier to manage? And then after those 5 days, take the weekend, 3 days. Let's go with 3 days. 3 days without using any product, especially oil. And then after that, let us know what that feeling is for your beard. I can almost guarantee what it's going to feel like because of my own experiences. But every beard is different. Every beard has a different story. Now, before you go, keep in mind that if you go to buy anything for Fable, you can use the discount for Apprentice or YT25 to get 25% off your next order. We really appreciate everything that you guys do for this community. Give us a thumbs up, a good like. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and toll that bell so then you can get any notifications whenever we do post stuff. We love this community and we are so appreciative of everything you guys do. So until next time, may your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever at your door. Good day.